thought I'd show you a new camera purchase that I've got. It's a Nikon Z50. It's second hand but new to me, and I bought it because I decided I'd replace my Panasonic, and the reason really is that I thought I could standardise a little bit the lenses I was using. So the advantage of this is it's roughly the same size as the Panasonic but has arguably a better sensor and better autofocus, but it will also allow me to attach my f-mount lenses with the adapter. So I bought a second-hand adapter as well, and I got this lens second-hand, so I got the whole lot for about £800, which was quite cheap really. I'll have to decide if I want to keep it, so I need to test it a little bit. The problem is the weather's so terrible, it's quite hard to do. I'm hoping that it'll sort of rationalise my equipment a bit, and I can sort of focus on one brand. One of the concerns I have is that the Panasonic has some nice lenses for the mount, but there aren't that many DX Z mount lenses yet. But there's a couple of interesting looking Z mount lenses coming. There's a 20mm and a 40mm pancake lens, which I'm kind of interested in. I think they'll both be quite good, so I'm quite excited about that. And hopefully Nikon and maybe some third parties will do some other DX lenses that are quite nice. But to be honest, the 20 and the 40mm prime and then this zoom and maybe a slightly longer zoom would be all I need actually, because this is a camera that I primarily will use for travel. But yeah, I am slightly concerned I'll miss the 14mm micro four thirds and the 20mm micro four thirds that I have for the Panasonic. The 14mm I'm actually using now, because it's one of my favourite lenses. So I might sell the Panasonic body and all the other lenses, but keep those two as a sort of hedge against the future, to see if I don't like this. It is pretty cool though. I think as a sort of compact travel camera, it'll be quite a nice thing. I haven't tested the autofocus out yet, but I'm sort of expecting that the IAF autofocus will be a bit better than the Panasonic for video, and I could maybe use this for videos and stuff, which would be pretty good. And yeah, and I've got the option of using my f-mount glass on it if I want to. Those lenses are massive though, and will kind of undermine, well, a lot of them will sort of undermine the compact nature of it. Although things like the 50 f1.4 are quite compact, and what I might get is the 35mm DX lens, which will be the equivalent of a 50 1/8 on this, which will be quite a nice size, because it's probably, including the adapter, it's not too big. So that's the plan anyway. But yeah, I've hardly managed to use it because it's been raining for about a week here. I don't really want to use it in the rain, it's just not as much fun. The other thing you can see is my Gamers Nexus mouse mat, which I really like. It's really cool and it's nice and big. So it's good for covering my desk when it's not covered in junk, which it is a little bit at the minute. So yeah, quick update on a purchase. I'll try and show you a few of the other funky little cameras that I've been playing with. I've got an infrared one that I did an unboxing of ages ago and then never revisited, but I've got some pictures of that and stuff now which I can show. Maybe some other stuff as well. Okay, well, thanks very much, and I'll see you in the next video.